can't really see, but up there.
Blue, white, purple is Georgie, and the white one with the blue end sails on it is TV Bill Miller.
He's in a spin, isn't he? Over there, look, Jakey's coming into land.
Right, he's coming right down towards us, swooping in. So come on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, give Ed Jones a big cheer. Because he can hear you.
Bloody hell.
Woo! First rule of conversation, do not move in the arena. Well done, Eddie, good landing.
Here comes the others.
Right, you'll see the little white canopy sort of swinging round, the bell ringing, that sort of, so you can lose height.
That's awesome, though, isn't it?
Line themselves up for their landing.
It's cool.
This is Johnny. Give Johnny a big cheer, so he can hear you.
I think it's with the platform because they're coming down from such a great height.
Go to the town with the front.
They didn't even have any trees. They went as high as a helicopter.
Now this is Bill Miller, the oldest guy on the team. My husband, so I can insult him all he likes because he doesn't hear what I'm saying. You'll see he's got his legs bent. I call it the middle friend approach. Kill me for that. Come on, give Bill Miller a big cheer. Go to the cross. Oh, no! He's got plenty of padding. Now, come on, I want you to give a big cheer to Georgie. It's her first demo at Bristol. Come on, Georgie! Will you standing still? Oh, you're okay! Woo! Well done, Georgie! Right, I want you to all wave to the helicopter. Thank Peter for giving us all a safe demo. Right, Georgie, your first time at Bristol, first jump, what was that like? Oh, thanks, Bill! he did do a very good landing. Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are the Exit Parachute Display Team. You'll be another demo this afternoon, 2 tomorrow, 2 on Saturday and 2 on Sunday. And we'll have a few more surprises and tricks for you over the next couple of days. Thank you for your attention and we'll see you all later. Bye!
Dave, thank you.